Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Yeah, good,
I'm
good.
good. I'm good.
Uh, how was last week? We did our outcome. We passed our outcome through Incred system. So, how did you feel when you passed all your outcomes through Incred system? Hemaji, please share your experience.
Yeah, it's great. I got clarity which step I want to take. I knew, and I move forward, and it's really motivate me to do this. I always speak e-codes daily. I write down my outcome daily and
Nice,
do this practice every day. It's really helps my transform my life. It's really it's
very nice. Nadimji, how you are feeling about after doing this Incred exercise?
Yeah, great, great. I
Fine.
felt good.
So yeah, that's nice. So next step is we are going further to analyze what are the steps we can take to achieve that particular outcome. So we will be dividing different steps in the form of power leaps. I will explain you what power leaps is. Power leap is basically the outcomes are end game target, meaning things you eventually want to accomplish. Most people give up the possibilities of achieving these outcomes as they seem impossible. However, there is a way to make them appear easier and achievable. The outcomes system is brilliant. It makes your outcomes seem achievable by breaking them into power leaps. Each leap takes you to closer to your outcome. To make this work, we have to start at at the end and work backwards. The human mind loves possibilities and charged up if the brain does something new, big and new. Get ready to change your world. So what we did, suppose I want to reduce 20 kgs weight. So that is my outcome. Then I will plan to reduce that 20 kg weight. What are the actions I'm going to take? Suppose I'm going to do the gym, I'm going to follow the diet plan. So this way we will plan our power leaps. We will decide our power leaps today to achieve those targets, outcomes. So each one of your power leap has to go through increed qualities in it. Otherwise, it won't ever lead to your ultimate outcome. So, example I have already given. Do you need one more example or any query you have? You can just ask me. So here, how we will go through it, I will explain. You will set the deadline and clear power leaps that will act as a steps to achieve their ultimate outcome. The outcome, the purpose of this activity is for you to think of their challenges and their outcomes to create power leaps and that are achievable. So it involves two steps. Step one, this you have to do. Step one, what you have to do is to look at all the challenges you have written in the previous activity in grid system. Look at the ultimate outcome. Now list down at least 5 or more power leaps that that will help you to reach your outcome along with your deadlines of each power leap. So every power leap will have their own deadline. Step two is to put one of your power leaves through the refinement chart to make it even more refined and clearer. So when we will do this exercise, I'll tell you, you have to write down all the power leaves with their ultimate of the ultimate outcome with their deadlines on one page, and there is a refinement chart given on the hub. You have to fill that refinement chart stating the starting date of that particular power leaf, due date, and what will be the outcome, ultimate outcome for each power leaf. So once you do all that, what is our purpose of doing all this activity? To achieve the ultimate outcome. So we get happiness out of it.
Yes.
In the end, to celebrate that happiness, we'll create a cake by forming different layers. The layers will go like that. The base of your cake will be the ultimate outcome which you have decided, and the next crust of the cake will be your baselines and e-codes. We have to match our baseline and e-codes. Layer 1 will be the challenges what you have gone through. Layer 2 will be the power leaves you have decided, and icing will be the outcome achieved. Then you get the ultimate happiness. So complete this exercise. I will give you 30 minutes, and then we'll discuss the your exercises in detail after 30 minutes. Yeah.
Go.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
So you are finished with your exercise.
Yes, we done.
I'll directly go to refinement chart because power leaps will be there. So Hemaji, will you like to share your refinement chart, few activities, what power leaps you have decided and how you will go about it?
Yeah, yes, I will explain you. First, my power leap is I want to
First, tell me the outcome. You have on the top, it is written the outcome statement.
the outcome is I want to open my healing center, yoga center, and also I want to become a coach. That is my outcome.
Power leaps.
Yeah, and first power leap. Work out which kind of people I want to coach. It means I want to find that person which helped me to open my healing yoga center. And second is I decided date, finalize marketing, and finding some good trainer which helped me this process. And my date is 15 May.
Okay.
15th
So you
May.
said you will be finding the people who do that.
Yeah.
What will be
And
the final date for that? Getting
15th
the people.
May, 15th May, I will start my center, and my ultimate outcome is I will reach 1,500 people and per year, and on this year.
So
That
what
is
are the resources you will be needing to
resources.
achieve
One
this?
resource I have already land structures. All I have there, but my resources I have a money to put there, and in a marketing and good trainer will help me. Good my healing center will which help me to open.
Okay. What kind of challenges you are facing while doing this?
Challenges, not very much challenges. Yes, one is because I'm not very digital marketing aware. I'm not tech savvy, and that is my challenges. How to digitalize my whole system, and and one challenge is my language, my English. That is, I want to improve my English, and I also I want to hire one good tutor to speak every day in a English. Practice makes up perfect.
Okay. You said your next PL is marketing. So what is your plan for marketing for this one? Have you,
I
what is
want
the
to
start
hire
date?
I want to hire one person who knows everything digitally and look after everything. That is my
Any more resources you required for the marketing purpose?
one. I want to good trainer to
Advertising. Have
take
you thought
take
about advertising? How
yeah,
you will do the
digital
advertising?
person do everything, will do everything.
Okay.
Not yeah, and I want a good trainer to take a good classes in my healing yoga center. That's my
Great.
challenge. Yeah.
Great. So this exercises help you to analyze your steps further.
Further, this
Right,
and
Himaji?
this exercise, I realized which step first I want to take, and further next step which I want to, step by step
Step by step.
start.
It gives you a step.
Yes,
step by step.
definitely.
Very nice. Very nice. So now I would like to know from you, Nadeem ji, what are your power leads, and discuss your refinement chart, please.
Yeah. I wanted to complete my book. Okay,
That is your outcome. By which
outcome.
date?
It is by 30th April. I wanted to complete my book.
Okay. So what are the power leaps for these completing the book?
Yeah, I had a doubt, like, my English is not good and all. So now I found out some software which can do the English corrections and grammatical corrections and all.
Who is responsible for this?
I'm the responsible. I need to take out time, so I'm a little busy with so many things. So I had to sit and complete this because I
Yeah.
have
So
set the target. Yes.
what are the resources you will be needing to finish your book?
Nothing much because I'm writing book from my own life. So I need the resources to sit and think and write down.
Correct. Any challenges you are facing in this matter?
Yeah, time. I'm not able to sit. Too many activities are there, so I need to sit and complete.
So what is your next power leap? Power leap number 2.
Yeah, power leap number 2 is my new business, real estate business.
Sorry, can you speak
Yeah,
little
yeah.
louder?
My second this thing is my real estate business.
Okay. So what is when you are starting that, and by what time you will establish it?
Yeah,
The due date?
already I started it, and I need to stage 1. I need to finish in 1 month's time, and then
Okay.
I need to take 3 more months to complete all the planning. Then onwards we'll go on execution.
So what kind of resources you will be needing for it?
Yeah, I need a lot of people who will manage the implementation of this project. I need managers, I need a lot of labor, a lot of people to implement this project.
Correct. Any challenges you think you will be facing while achieving this outcome?
Yeah, a lot of challenges are coming, the customers and a lot of things. But I'm coming out with all these input systems to work on
Great.
this.
Great. So I will congratulate you both for finishing this refinement chart. Now to celebrate it, I want you to make a cake for your celebration and enjoyment. So Himaji, you make your cake first and share with us.
Yeah, my happiness, I already made my cake, and my happiness, I proud myself, I gratitude myself, and I'm a top of the world. That is my cherry of cake.
Let's clap for Himaji for
Thank
finishing
you.
her cake and feeling so. We are also feeling equally proud of you.
Yeah, thank you.
Nadeem ji, you please share your happiness of cake.
Yeah, I already made the cake, and I can see through the completion. My book is released. And, it's selling like hotcake. A lot of people are buying. And,
Wow, congratulations.
thank you. My real estate project is also doing well. It's in the nature, a lot of farmhouses, a lot of farming is happening. So I'm very happy.
I wish you all the best to both of you
Thank
doing
you.
this, and we will move forward with another detailed analysis of our this journey. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
If you have
Bye.
any query, you just let me know. Drop a
Yes,
message. I'll get
yes.
back to you.